Black flip-flops, timeless, versatile, and underrated. When you think of summer, sun, beaches, and relaxed walks along the shoreline, one item of footwear almost always makes an appearance: flip-flops. Among the endless variety of colors and styles, black flip-flops stand out in their quiet simplicity. They don't scream for attention. Instead, they offer something better: adaptability, ease, and timeless style. Black flip-flops are a universal symbol of comfort. Whether you're heading to the beach, taking a quick stroll to the store, or simply lounging around the house, they offer a sense of casual freedom. No need to tie laces, match socks, or worry about the weather as long as it's dry. Just slip them on and go. Their biggest strength: versatility. Black goes